Welcome to this 15-minute evening yoga routine to help you unwind and relax after a long day. Let's get started in child's pose. Bring your big toes together as you sit up on your heels. Keep your knees together or take them wider apart. Stretch your arms out in front of you and relax your forehead down to the mat. Feel free to close your eyes and take a few breaths to arrive on your mat. To add a little variation to child's pose, slide your right arm underneath your left armpit and turn your head to the left. Continue to breathe deeply in and out through the nose. Sending full breath into your upper back area around the shoulders. With inhale, creating more space. With exhale, releasing tension. Slowly change sides. Stretch your right arm forward and slide your left arm under the right armpit. Turn your head to the right and stay here for a few more breaths, stretching the other side. One more cycle of breaths. And return to the child's pose. Stretch your left arm forward. Walk your fingertips a bit more forward to find more length on the sides of the body. Take a slow, full breath into the side ribs. And out through the mouth, let it go. Release your child's pose and roll forward to lay down on your belly. Forearms stay parallel to each other, elbows underneath shoulders for Sphinx pose. Press the tops of the feet into the mat. Gently pull your elbows and shoulders back and reach your chest forward. Stay with your breath, expanding the rib cage as you breathe in and letting go of tension as you breathe out. Inhale, try to lift your heart higher. Exhale, pull the shoulders back, squeeze the shoulder blades together. Release your head down on top of your forearms. Bend your right knee and slide it up towards your right armpit. And then turn a bit more to the right with your upper body so you create more stretch on the left side of the torso. Close your eyes and enjoy this frog pose variation. This tends to be one of the most relaxing yoga poses. Let your body sink heavy into the floor, into the mat. Begin to change sides. Straighten your right leg, bend the left knee and pull it up to the armpit. And then turn your upper body also a bit more to the left. There are no strict alignment rules in this pose. Just try to find the position that feels good and restful in your body. Slowly bring your body back to center. Place your hands next to your chest and press yourself up onto your hands and knees. Sit down on your heels or cross your legs instead if that position is more comfortable. Drop your chin down to the chest and start circling your head in one direction. Making slow and gentle circles, stretching your neck, shoulders. Move at your own pace. And after you complete this circle, change direction. Slowly roll your head to the other side. Bring your head back to center and stretch your legs out in front of you. Roll your ankles out a few times in one direction. And then a few times in the other direction. Then keep your left leg straight with foot flexed. Bring your right foot to your inner thigh and open the knee out to the side. Turn your chest towards the straight leg. Find a bit more length in the back and then slowly fold forward. You can keep your hands on the floor or hold your ankle or foot. Notice the stretch on the hamstrings, on the hips. And try also tucking your chin down in towards your chest to lengthen the back, the upper back and the neck. I find that this way I get a bit more stretch in the back along the spine as well. Send the breath into these areas where you feel the stretch or restrictions. In and out through the nose. Lift your upper body. Open your right knee a bit more out to the side. Place your left hand on top of the right knee, so your opposite knee, and reach your right arm up and over the head as you lean to the side to your left leg. Breathe into your right side, deep side stretch. And release. To change sides, stretch your right leg out in front of you and pull your left foot towards your right inner thigh. Open the knee out to the side and turn your chest to your straight leg. Gently fold forward and again keep your hands down on the mat or hold onto your foot or ankle. If you enjoyed that on the other side, you can pull your chin in towards your chest or just let your head hang heavy and breathe into your back body, upper and lower back, hips, hamstrings. Notice where you feel the most stretch. Release, lift the upper body and move your left knee a bit more out to the left. Right hand to the left knee and left arm reaches up and over the head into side bend. Take one more full breath here. And slowly release. Bring your legs together. Move a little bit forward on your mat so you have space behind you to lay on your back. Bring the soles of the feet together, open the knees out into butterfly shape and lay back. Release your head to the floor. Find a comfortable position for your hands on your belly, on the thighs, or maybe above the head for a bit more shoulder opening. Scan your body from head to toes. And with each exhale, release any leftover tension, any leftover stress from the day. Take one last big breath down into your belly. Inhale. And exhale. Slowly bring your legs together. Roll over to your favorite side and use your hands to press yourself up into cross-legged seat. Close your eyes for another moment. Inhale, reach arms out and up. Exhale, bring your palms together to your heart. And softly open your eyes. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I hope you feel relaxed and ready for sleep. I wish you a good night and see you in the next video. Bye!